My name is Steve Rothert. I'm the California Director for American Rivers, and today we're here celebrating the important milestone in the Three Creeks project on Marsh Creek in Brentwood, California, celebrating the completion of our budget target to launch the project. And with the generous gift from the Environmental Protection Agency, we now have our budget target so that we can start the project. And next summer, we will begin to transform the flood control channel, which right now is just a trapezoidal channel that conveys flood flows with no vegetation and no habitat or recreational value, into a riparian forest of tall cottonwoods and alders and willows with grass and habitat for frogs and crayfish and fish that the neighborhood, the community of Brentwood can enjoy and interact with and learn about healthy streams and water quality, and how habitat like this that we're going to be recreating can contribute to healthy ecosystems in California.